Hey guys, I'm at Sustain LA's first zero waste refill station. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite products. Let's check it out. So basically you can come in, bring your own bottle, refill with products here, or you can shop some of the bottles on the wall and buy it for your home. This one is for the beauty lovers. You can come and shop all of these incredible scents. And what I love, they're bilingual because as you know, Highland Park was originally a mostly Hispanic neighborhood and she kept true to the tribe and made everything here and in the store bilingual for everyone. I don't know about you, but one of my biggest toxic traits is that I'm obsessed with cotton balls, and I think she just might have changed my whole habit and changed my mind.
We have cotton ball replacements in reusable, washable facial rounds. So these great little cotton pads, you can add your makeup remover to them, your toner. They're nice cotton and soft on your face. Wash them and reuse.
It's gonna change my entire life because I use them all the time. Single use cotton balls and cotton pads. And the best part is when they're dirty, you wash them in this little bag. Remember during pandemic when we ran out of paper towels? You don't need to worry about it anymore because now we have the Swedish dishcloth, which will replace every single paper towel in your life. Explain.
Yes, and replace up to 17 rolls of paper towels. It's reusable and washable. You can throw it in the top rack of your dishwasher. You can throw it in your laundry machine. And then at end of life, it's backyard.
It's a hard, heavy-duty sponge that's made from plants.
The squishy side is cellulose and wood pulp, and the back side is coconut.
When this is done, you can just drop it in your backyard and it's biodegradable, disappears. This is the best invention ever, and it's only $5.